Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Sunday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We made it. And we have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below, where you can take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast free shipping. And you'll get one of these in no time. Definitely excited. I wasn't expecting any mail today, so here we go. And what do we have here? Uh-oh. We got something in here. Alright. Who is this coming from? Whoa. Follow me. Hashtag follow me. Alright, let's see what they have to offer. Oh, these are soft. What is this? Oh. Alright, I know what these are. These are like lounging pants. Really soft. Pretty cool design. So definitely give them a follow. Hashtag follow me. And check out their other designs, colors, styles. Really cool. And yeah, see what else they have. But definitely a nice material. It's definitely comfortable to lounge around. And it's Sunday, that's what I'm going to be doing today. And working on these videos. So, follow me. Hit the subscribe button. Give the video a thumbs up. Got the ties right there, the front tie. Pretty cool. Definitely interesting. I definitely wear these. So, thank you guys that follow me. And YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a great day. And I'll see you in the next video.